Partners capital account. In case of partnership firm, it is very important to prepare partners capital account in order to find the state of capital of each and every partner. Each and every partner contributes his share of capital in the firm. So at the end of the year, it is important to find out the state of his capital. For this purpose, capital account of partners is prepared. All the transactions pertaining to the partners of a firm are written in the books of accounts through their capital accounts. In other words, the cash book, the cash brought in by the partner is capital, additional capital introduced, withdrawal of capital, drawings, the share of profit of the partner, interest on capital, interest on drawings, all are recorded in the partner's capital account. For recording the partner's capital, the partner capital is maintained on the partner's capital account or is maintained on the basis of two approaches. Fluctuating capital and fixed capital. In case of fluctuating capital, only one account is prepared, that is capital account. Under fluctuating capital method, only one account, capital account, is maintained for each and every partner, and all adjustments relating to the partners are recorded in this account only. Under the system, it is, as you know, capital, we are taking fluctuating capital. That means capitals are fluctuating, means the capital of the partners do not remain fixed but varies from time to time. Therefore, it is known as a fluctuating capital account. In case of fluctuating capital account, there are always chances of partners investing additional capital during the year. The balance of this account, in case of fluctuating capital, the balance of capital account may be a debit balance or credit balance. It may be both. So in case of fluctuating capital account, only one account is maintained, capital account, and all the transactions are recorded in the capital account. Now, in case of fixed capital account, as the name suggests, the capitals are considered as fixed. The amount of capital does not fluctuate in the entire life of the firm. The capital remains fixed. In case of fixed capital account, partner's capital account is prepared in two parts. One is the capital account, another is the current account. Capital account and current account. The capital account, in case of fixed capital, records only the initial capital introduced by the partners, which is fixed. All the other entries of the partners are recorded in the current account. So capital can be of two types. Partners capital can be of two types, fluctuating or fixed. In case of fluctuating capital, one account is prepared capital account. In case of fixed capital, capital account is divided into two: capital account and current account. Fixed account means the capitals are fixed and during the lifetime of the firm, and in case of fluctuating capital, capitals are not fixed and additional capital can be introduced by the partner. Now, distinction between fixed capital and fluctuating capital, fluctuating or floating capital. Number one, in case of fixed capital account, two accounts are prepared. For each partner. Two accounts are prepared for each partner. That is fixed capital account and current account. Now, in case of fluctuating capital or floating capital, only one account is maintained for each partner. That is partner's capital account. So, in case of fixed capital, two accounts are prepared. In case of fluctuating or floating capital, only one account is prepared. Number two, change in the capital account. The capital contributed by the partner, the capital contributed by each partner remains the same. In case of fluctuating, under the system, the partner's capital go on changing from year to year. In case of fixed, the capital contributed by each partner is same, and in case of fluctuating, the capital of the partners keeps on changing from year to year. Number three, the closing balance of capital account. In case of fixed capital account, in case of fixed capital, the closing balance in case of fixed capital account, closing balance is always credit balance. The current account, the second part of the capital account, the current account may show either a debit balance or a credit balance. In case of fixed capital account, two accounts are prepared: capital account and current account. The capital account balance always shows a credit balance. Current account balance may show debit or credit balance. In case of fluctuating capital account may show either debit or credit balance. Fixed capital account always shows a credit balance. Current account may be debit or credit. Fluctuating capital accounts also shows either debit or credit. Now, what is recorded in case of fixed capital account, what is recorded in current, and what is recorded in fluctuating capital? In the case of fixed capital, capital account records only capital. In the second part, current account records all other transactions such as interest on capital, interest on drawings, share of profit of the partner, then salary received by the partner, commission received by the partner. Everything is recorded in the current account. Capital account only records the amount of capital in case of fixed capital, and the remaining items are recorded in the current account. In case of fluctuating capital, all adjustments relating to drawing, interest on drawings, interest on capital, salary, share of profit, commission to partner are recorded in capital account. That means in case of fluctuating, all the entries are made in capital account, whereas in case of fixed capital, first part of the account, capital account, only records the amount of capital. In the second part, current account records the other transactions. Now we come to the preparation of the capital account of the partners. How account is prepared? In case of, if the capitals are fixed, in case of fixed capital, in case of fixed capital, as you know, in case of fixed capital account is prepared in two parts. First one is the capital account. You know how account is prepared. Account has two sides, debit side and credit side. Particulars, and this is the amount. Particulars and amount. As you know, there are more than one partners in case of partnership, so we have to prepare capital accounts of all the partners. So if suppose there are three partners A, B and C, you will have to prepare three accounts. First A's capital account, then in the same pattern B's capital account, and C's capital account. Or to save your time and effort, we can prepare a common capital account of all the partners, and we'll divide the amount column among the number of partners. Suppose there are three partners, we will divide the amount column into three, A, B, C. Again, on the credit side, we will divide the amount column into three, A, B and C, three partners. If there are four partners, we will make a fourth column, amount column. If there are only two partners, so in case of fixed capital, capital. First account is capital account. This account only records the initial capital introduced by the partners. So by balance brought down, this is the capital brought down by the partners, and this account is closed by balancing the account by balance carried down. So the account is closed. Now the second part of the capital account, this is in case of fixed. First part was capital, now current account. We will again divide the amount column into number of partners. If we have 3 partners, we will divide the amount column into 3. If there are 4 partners, or if you want, you can prepare individual accounts of each part for each partner. So this is the current account. The capital account records only the amount of capital. The rest of the items are recorded in the current account. If there is any balance of current account by balance brought down, all the gains of the partners are recorded in the credit sides. For example, by share of profit, the respective amount of each partner we will record in the respective column. By salary, suppose any of the partner is working in the firm and is receiving any salary, by salary and amount in the column of the respective partner. If any partner is receiving any commission, if any interest is payable on capital, if there is any drawings, so 2 drawings. In case of any interest on drawings, 2 interest on drawings. And then finally the account is balanced. In case of current account, the closing balance may be a debit balance or a credit balance. It may be either credit balance or debit balance. So in case of fixed capital account, 2 accounts, fixed capital account is prepared in 2 parts: capital account and current account. Capital account records only fixed items, fixed capital, and the remaining items are recorded in the current account. We can prepare account of individual partners separately, or we can divide the amount column of the partners among the partners, so that you can prepare a combined current and capital account of all the partners. Now, in case of fluctuating capital, fluctuating or floating capital, in case the capitals are fluctuating, in case of fluctuating capital, the only one account is prepared, that is partners capital account. This is the particulars, and amount column we will divide among the partners. If we have 3 partners, we'll divide it into amount column into 3 parts. If there are 4 partners, now in case of fluctuating capital, this partners capital account records all the transactions. We'll start with the opening balance of capital by balance brought down of all the partners, then all the gains of the partner on the credit side, by share of profit of each partner, by interest on capital received by the partners, by commission if anyone is receiving commission, if a partner is receiving any salary, If there is any drawings, if any partner has withdrawn any amount, the interest charged on these drawings, everything is recorded in partner's capital account. Then we'll balance the account, AX account, B's account, C's account, and the balance of this account, in case of fluctuating, the balance of current account may be a credit balance or a debit balance. It may be either of the two. So in case of when the capitals are fixed, partner's capital account is prepared in two parts: partner's capital and partner's current account. Capital account records only the fixed capital, initial capital, and remaining items are recorded in the current account. Credit side records the gains of the partner. Drawings and interest and drawings and payments of the partner are on the credit side. In case of fluctuating capital, there is only one account, capital account, starting with the opening balance of capital, all the gains of the partners, all the payments and drawings, interest and drawings. The balance may be credit balance or debit balance. In case of fixed, balance is always here, carried down. In case of current, balance may be here, carried down, may be here, or here a debit or credit balance.